Welcome to the Hocus Pocus School, where you will learn all the magic tricks of DeFi. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up your ledger. To get started, open your Google Chrome browser and connect your ledger to your computer or to your laptop. Go to the address bar here and type in ledger.com/start. As you can see, the download button is here, and today we are installing the application for Windows. So you click on Windows app and it will start downloading. Now, we've already done this, so we can fast forward to the application. Now, this is the first time that you're using your Nano, so you'll choose here for this option, First Use. You get a bunch of information here that we're gonna scroll through. You can read that in your own time, but for this tutorial, we'll just fast forward this and click on this button. Let's do this. Well, the best way to get started: plan 30 minutes and take your time. Grab a piece of paper and a pen to write down your secret phrase. And it's very important that you won't store this on a mobile device or on your email, because obviously you want to reduce the chance of your secret phrase to be compromised. And once you're ready, you click on OK, I am ready, and click on Got it. And now we are gonna choose our PIN code. Now, use a PIN code that you remember easily, something that you might use already, and then you click here on I understand, and now we move to the ledger itself. So there are two buttons here, right, left. To continue, you toggle on the right one, and it gives you a bunch of information that you get read through. And once you're ready to continue, you have to push both buttons once at the same time. Set up device, choose pin. Okay, you click both buttons again, and we have to enter this pin. As you can see here, we'll just enter the pin here. Toggle with the left one to go down, and toggle with the right one to go up to choose your numbers. You can choose any number between 0 and 9. And once you chosen your first number, you click on both buttons to confirm. Perfect. Click on both buttons at the same time again to continue, and now we have to confirm our PIN, which we'll do. And confirm it again by pressing on both buttons at the same time. Your device will generate 24 words. Back to the laptop, and we can click here on set up PIN code. We've already done that, so we click on next step. Recovery phrase. Well, this is the most important part of your ledger. These words are absolutely secret. Do not share these with anyone. And to continue, we click on the right button. Press both buttons to continue. Well, here we go. Now, here we're going to write down the 24 words that are your secret phrase. Write them down in the right order, because after this you would have to confirm each and every word again in the right order. We'll fast forward this video and we'll see you in the next phase. Now, as you can see, it asks you to confirm your recovery phrase, which we will. So we have to press both buttons again to continue. And now you have to choose the first word. Well, obviously you have written it down, so you toggle with your right or with the left to choose the first word. And let's have a look. First word we use was hover. And then you press both buttons at the same time to confirm the first word. It'll ask you for the second word, and that will be noise, and we continue with both buttons at the same time. And we'll do this for all the words, and we'll fast forward to the next phase of this tutorial. Once you have confirmed the 24 words of your secret phrase, it says your recovery phrase is set. And we'll go with the right button to toggle further. It gives you a bunch of information on what to do. Make sure to read it through. And press both buttons to continue. As you can see, it's processing, so we'll go back to the laptop device and click here on recovery phrase. Now we've just written everything down. We just have confirmed this on our ledger, so we can click on next step. And here we go. Okay, I am done. Your device is now ready. So we click on OK, I'm done. Then there will be a small quiz. We'll fast forward this. And here we go. We've just finished the quiz, and we can click on next step and check my Nano, and then it will bring you to the application. Now here you have to confirm your ledger with the or allow, better said, with the application. So we'll go back to the ledger and we click both buttons to allow Ledger Manager. Here we go. And all good. Your Ledger Nano S is genuine and ready to use with Ledger Live. Once we've installed the ledger and the application correctly, we would still need to add an account. So hover here with your mouse and click on Add Account. Then choose a crypto asset. For this tutorial, we'll choose Ethereum and we'll click on Continue. Then we'll move over to the ledger and it asks you to open the app Ethereum, where we will again push both buttons at the same time. Application is ready and we'll go back to the app. Start synchronizing. Perfect. Add a new account by clicking on Add Account. And you have added your account successfully. You can click on Done, and this is how you've created your first Ethereum account on your ledger. Here it is.